Okay guys, GS paper is done, question papers are out, बहुत analysis हो रहा है, and lot of opinions coming thick and fast. The general opinion is paper more or less on the expected lines है. हालांकि GS paper 2 जो polity वाला था थोड़ा tricky था, lot of unfamiliar concepts थे, depth में पूछा गया था. Otherwise more or less जो हमें पता था, sea level rise, we knew protectionism, PLI, poverty issues, women aspects, more or less we know they can ask you Paris deal, COP26 पूछा है. They've asked questions around left-wing extremism, northeast का issues. So more or less, it is on the expected lines and apparently बड़ा comfortable paper ज़्यादातर बच्चों के लिए रहा होगा. But what happens is when we're analyzing the paper and when you are seeing the paper, आपका आंख पड़ता है on familiarity of the words used in the questions. तो आप पढ़ रहे हैं PLI दिखा, oh PLI I know, protection linked incentives and we are on. You see Paris deal, oh, I know Paris deal because पढ़ा हुआ है, climate change we can handle. Climate change, sea level rise impact, oh, we can do this. पर अगर आप बैठें और actual question पढ़ेंगे, you'll realize the questions are very, very tricky. Lot of applied aspects and the questions are maybe on expected themes, but the questions are not on the expected lines. For example, आप वो क्वेश्चन इकोनॉमी वाला देखें on agriculture, asking you about elaborate on the scope and significance of supply chain management of agriculture commodities in India. It's a very interesting topic. So scope and significance पूछ रहा है और supply chain management. हमें सब कुछ पता हो, एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्टिविटी, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ लो इनकम, प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू यस वी मस्ट ऐड वैल्यू, बट एग्जैक्टली सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट में क्या किया जा रहा है वी विल नॉट नो दैट. और आपको लिखना है एग्जाम कंडीशंस में. लुक एट अनदर क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्लेन द फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द डिसीजन ऑफ फार्मर्स ऑन द सिलेक्शन ऑफ हाई वैल्यू क्रॉप्स इन इंडिया. So high value crops हमें पता है, we are going to floriculture, we are getting into vegetables, we are getting into horticulture, we also have livestock. It's a high value products agriculture में. But what are the factors that influence decision making on these particular crops and agriculture products? ये आसान क्वेश्चन नहीं है. So while you are seeing high value crops, supply chain management, आप इसे पढ़ जाएंगे. One question I loved was, ये GS पेपर 2 में social issues पे, social justice topic पे था. Inequality in the ownership pattern of resources is one of the major causes of poverty. Discuss in the context of paradox of poverty. It's a beautiful question. Now, all of us know about poverty, problems related to farming issues, homelessness, out-migration, tribal poverty. We know the problems related to areas in Jharkhand, mining issues. But ये जो क्वेश्चन पूछा है कि बताओ पावर्टी कैसे लैक ऑफ ओनरशिप की वजह से होता है, लैक ऑफ ओनरशिप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, लैक ऑफ ओनरशिप ऑफ लैंड एंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ पैराडॉक्स ऑफ पावर्टी. एग्जाम कंडीशंस में क्या इवन एग्जाम के बाद में कोई पूछेगा आपको पैराडॉक्स ऑफ पावर्टी क्या है, आप पहुंच जाएंगे. Paradox poverty essentially is areas which have resources are some of the poor areas of India. आप झारखंड को देखिए, आप छत्तीसगढ़ को देखो, आप उड़ीसा को देखो. Lot of resources, agricultural resources, mineral resources, forest resources, water resources, and there is poverty because the local population, the tribal farmers, they do not own the land, water, and the forest. Very interesting question. वैसे ही we all know about women issues. We know about the problems of a women poverty. But ये जो question है कि women social capital, how does that help in advancing gender equity? Again, social capital from the women aspects, most of us would anticipate this. Essentially, how do women form cooperatives? How women form self-help groups? How women are part of collaborative small-scale industries? Women as a part of FPOs, women groups working together as a part of decision-making process in owning land, water resources. ये जो women का social capital, I'm sure आपने किसी ने पढ़ा नहीं होगा और exam condition में सोचना ही बहुत tricky हो जाता है. So there's a very interesting analogy I can give you. देखो होता क्या है, think of cricket for example, and I'm teaching somebody to catch a ball. I can keep on throwing the ball and the person keeps on catching the ball and over time he learns how to catch the ball. A problem ये है, for a person who does not know where will the ball land, how will you place the field? For a person who does not know कि कैसे बैटिंग होने वाला है, आप अपना प्लेसमेंट कैसे करेंगे, आप बॉलिंग कैसे करेंगे, ये जो स्ट्रेटजी पार्ट है, that is as important as learning to catch the ball. So if I give a question to you and I teach you how to write that question, to give you content on that question, you can manage it. But imagine एंटिसिपेटिंग कि क्या क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला है. एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली, अगर आपने प्रिपेयर नहीं भी किया है, हाउ विल यू पुट ऑल टुगेदर एज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर आंसर राइटिंग? दिस इज योर critical thinking skills. If you ask me, one of the biggest problems UPSC aspirants are facing is enormity of guidance that they are getting, almost like spoon feeding. आपको हर क्वेश्चन पे आंसर इमीडिएटली मिलता है. यू हैव गॉट AI, आप फटाक से आंसर निकाल सकते हो. द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट अबाउट वेदर यू हैव द कंटेंट और नॉट. क्वेश्चन इज आपके पास जो भी कंटेंट है वो सारा कंटेंट आप एग्जाम कंडीशन में क्वेश्चन स्पेसिफिक कोलेट कैसे करेंगे. सो यहीं पर आ जाता है इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ लर्निंग हाउ टू स्टडी ऑन योर ओन. क्या कोई टॉपिक है, अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक थीम है एंड बेस्ड ऑन कैसे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, कैन यू लर्न ऑन योर ओन टू ऑर्गेनाइज योर कंटेंट सो दैट अगर भी क्वेश्चन एंटिसिपेटेड लेवल पे नहीं आया है, कैन यू स्टिल हैंडल द क्वेश्चन और नॉट? दिस इज योर क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग स्किल्स. So while you're learning how to catch a ball, while you're learning how to hit a specific shot, you must also learn how to improvise your shots, how to place your field, how to read the batsman's mind so that you win the game and not just catch one catch. UPSC preparation, अगर आप देखें last couple of mains में, the focus is lot on this type of study. जहाँ पर student has to go beyond the spoon feeding type of preparation. Join me on Telegram channel Shabir Educami for IAS, and I'm teaching some of these skills. I'm insisting on self-study. आप अपने आप पढ़ो. You have been taught certain topic, you have been taught certain concept. Now try to dig up concepts on your own. Go deep on your own. Use AI tools. Use whatever material internet you have, so that you become smart at anticipating कैसे questions आने वाले हैं and how you can correlate lot of content into a proper good answer. Learn UPSC the smart way. Learn how to study rather than joining courses blindly and then not managing because it's a spoon feeding type of coaching you have got and not giving you the skills of critical thinking. Shabir Educami for IAS Telegram channel.
Geography Optional Foundation course by Shabir Sir, where you will get live interactive classes and course completion in a module-based approach. Scan the QR code and join now.